Welcome back, everybody. On this video is items that I added to the bandsaw, which is the base, same as the router table. I will get that listed as well from Amazon. But I added this little multi-plug on here, mounted to the bandsaw. That way you could plug in your bandsaw and your light and only have one electrical cord that you just plug in right here, run to your wall. One less cord to have to trip over, makes it a little safer. But that is it on the bandsaw. And also I wanted to show you these lights I got from Amazon. Easy to hang, cheap, and they light up very well. Make it where you can see what you're doing. If you have any comments or questions or any ideas for me, just let me know and have a good day.